guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. So we are China coasting now, and we will be arriving in the port of Qingdao, the futuristic port of Qingdao, and we will be arriving today. And it's a early morning arrival, and we will be staying in China coasting for around 7 to 8 days now. And as you know, China is filled with COVID cases now. Believe me, ports like Ningbo and Shanghai, a little bit south, these areas are filled with COVID totally. This time of the year, it's October of 2021. So the COVID cases has not decreased. The general situation here is very bad, and there are a lot of restrictions put on by every port in China. So I will show you the three ports which we will be doing in this posting. One is the Qingdao, the Ningbo and the Shanghai. So I'll be showing you what are the things which are going on and how we are managing cargo operation and ship activities during the COVID in the mainland of China. So stay tuned.
They even sanitize the messenger line which we sent from on board to the tug before touching it. Even the pilot comes wearing full PP, and he stays like that throughout the piloting.
Going to my cabin to bring my PPE, as they said that whoever is going out on deck, they must wear PPE, full gear at all times to maintain safe distance from the local people here. So which is the new normal here, and I guess we'll have to adjust to it. So this is the scenario right now in China, and I'll go quickly and I'll wear my PPE.
This is the isolation zone they have made for any access to the ship. They sanitize everybody and everything entering or leaving the ship over here.
We have berthed in the port now, and cargo operations will commence only after the quarantine people have come and they have checked all our temperatures and nobody is above 37 degrees. Only then they will allow the ship to stay inside the port. The ship will clear immigration and quarantine, and then only we will be commencing our cargo operations. So right now we are waiting for the quarantine and customs people to come on board and check our temperatures.
And then the customs and quarantine authorities come on board to check all crew temperature. If nobody exceeds 37 degrees centigrade, then only they allow the ship to start cargo operations. So they don't enter inside, they ask all crew to muster near the gangway, they check, write and leave as soon as they can.
So that was the quarantine people who had come, and they did their formalities, and we wanted it to finish as soon as possible, and now we will be starting our cargo operations.
That's our charterer agent. I'm going to meet him down at the jetty for handing over port papers, but from a distance.
So it's night time now and it has become a little cold. The temperature is dropping by the hour, but cargo operation will continue anyway. So, and this is the Qingdao port at night. We are to stay in VP kit all the time, and we have to maintain safe distance from the stevedores and the local personnel, whoever is coming. That's how the new normal is right now.
The stevedores, they don't come from the gangway, rather they come inside a cage lifted by the spreader of the cranes, and then they land directly on the hatch covers. This is how they try to maintain as much as distance they can from the ship staff.
Now I just received a mail packet from the gangway. Somebody just came and delivered a mail packet. I don't know what this is. Let me just check. Chief officer, third officer open. Please show all your crew. I don't know what this is. I'll just sanitize this a little bit, and then I will open it and see what it is. Okay, what is this? All crew order more than 2. Okay, so this is a ship's handler who does business here. So he has sent the list of items which we can buy from him. This is nice. And this is their website, I guess. Okay. So this is kind of an online mall for seafarers, which is nice, which is good thing. So it's a good thing which I really like. The China people, thank you China people for understanding the pain of our seafarers. So they know that after, especially during this COVID situation, we cannot go out, but we might need some stuff from outside for our day-to-day routine or anything which we want to buy. So they really understand that, and I really love this approach. It's a good way to do business and also a good way to help us. So I will see if I can find anything interesting. It's a very nice thing which I really liked in China, this port. So yeah, I finished my watch. It's 12 o'clock at night. I've handed over the watch to second officer, and we'll be here till tomorrow. And such is the situation in China. And stay tuned for more videos from the other 2 Chinese ports. And I hope you're liking these videos. And I am trying to show as much as I can wherever I am going, and I thought that the situation in China is something really necessary to show, and I try to show as much as I can. So I'll also try to show the other 2 ports which I hear are even worse. So stay tuned, and if you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I will see you in my next video, and until then, stay safe, stay blessed.